What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. Today we're going to be working on the merge array series. All we're trying to do is just merge two arrays. Thing is, it's a little bit more complicated, just a little bit. So normally when you merge two arrays, you use the merge sort, right? That's what the merge sort consists of. Two functions. There's the splitting, right? So in a merge sort, you have one big array that you want to sort. It can be any, for example, right here, right? If this was one big array, just like that, but you want to sort it, you split it. That's how the merge sort works. You split it in half, you keep splitting it. The other part to that is once everything's split, you merge it. So that's what this is, merge arrays. This one's a little bit different because this one, sometimes you'll get inputs of reverse order, still in order but reversed. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me just rewind here. Yeah, so normally you'll get inputs like this, and over here for some reason they wanted to work with those types of arrays, and I'm trying to debug it right now because for some reason it's not wanting to work. Right now I get false, and I get false. Oh yeah, that's why. Cause I'm having undefined. So what I can do here, I can do if array I is less than. When one is undefined, that means it's done, right? It's comparing, what it's doing, it's comparing 1 and 6, which is bigger. But at a certain point, for example, in this case, these are all done because these are all less than 40. So it's going to keep comparing 1 and 3, 1 to 3. 6 is greater than 1, 6 is greater than 2, 6 is greater than 3. Then it starts comparing 40, greater than 6, all the way up to 10. And it's done. So now it's not comparing anything. 10 is in the array. It pushes it to the array. So now it's left with an empty array. It's not really empty. It's just I'm adding on to a new array. This one right here, this empty array right here. But yeah, like once it's done arranging those. So now I can do a or equals undefined, but which one? I could do one for each. But which one? So Ri less than Ri less than. Simple stuff like this always gets me. Not always, sometimes. Sometimes. I'm gonna have to draw it out. So we have 1. We're comparing 1 and 6. Let's actually skip a step. So we're comparing. Let's go all the way to the end. So we're comparing 40 and undefined. Then we're comparing 50 and undefined. 40 and undefined. So 40, that's array 1. If array 1, we're comparing over here, we're pushing array 1. So if array 2, I could have just done that, huh? I could have just tried it out. I don't know why I was over here stressing. I wasn't stressing, but thinking about it like that. When array 2, it's like that. Over here is going to be array I. Array I. And I need to add the same thing to the top. I forgot to do the OR. And I need to do the array 1. Oh, I didn't, you know what? I didn't do it right. Array 1, there it is. Array 1 and array 1 up here. Like that. There it is. I'm getting, oh, there it is. Alright. Let's see if it sorts now. Let's see what happens, what doesn't happen. What kind of errors should we get? Let's see. Alright, so it sorts now. I do have a lot of... I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. I was debugging for a really long time. For a lot of videos. This series was a lot of videos. I did skip over some of them. Because I had a... on my desktop. Wait, why is it not? Oh, there it is. On my desktop, I had a row. So behind this browser, right? On my desktop. I had a row of videos lined up. And I had the latest video on top. So to continue, I had to go pick from the bottom. That's the next video to edit. Well, for some reason, I picked the latest one and I started editing. I just kept it as is. It was like a 20-minute edit. Like another 20 minutes of exporting, another 20 minutes of like 10 minutes of uploading. So I was like, we're good. Okay, so actually I need a few more. Damn, there's a lot. Nope. Okay, right here. There's a lot of logs though. A lot. Okay, so if this works, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and delete all of them, bro. If it works. Which we've seen that it did. False. I don't need to delete this one because it's not part of the function. But yeah, you can see that it works. That's pretty much all there is to it. I have some notes right here. Merge arrays, reversive reverse. Oh, reversive if reverse. Yeah, let's go ahead and try. Okay, so that one works. That one works. Let's go ahead and try other ones. I need to reverse them. If they're reversed. Let's go ahead and try this one here. Let's make sure this one. Okay, cool. One full array. Now this one here. Oh, and then duplicates too. Okay, so never mind. I'm not done. I'm done with this part. Done with that part. But reverse if reversed. This one here. Let's see if it works. Yeah, no. Okay. Yeah, nope. Doesn't work. Not that part. So, where should I put it? I'll put it right here. Put it right there. I'll reverse it. Now, it'll be 2 if statements. It'll be, actually, yeah, 2 if statements, 1 for each array. We'll just have it like this, because I'm going to do it in one line. So if array 1, oh, but it is going to be undefined. If it's false, let's just do it, see what happens. If array 1, 0 is greater than array 1, the last one, so we need to get the last, -1, array 1 length -1. So if it's greater, we're gonna do array 1 dot reverse, and then this right here actually, so I wouldn't have to do array1 equals dot reverse. This one actually modifies the list. Last time I remember it does. And then we'll do the exact same thing, but for array 2. Also, I might add a AND option. Not only does it have to be bigger, but the counter, because it can't be to where it's the beginning, you know what I'm saying? To where it's the first one. That way it doesn't have to check every time. So it'll be an AND, but counters, because if I check array length 1, the length's always changing. You know what I could do? I could do I equals 0 and j equals 0, because when things start, that's what they equal, 0. So we can try this out, see if it works. Let's see. Array 2, array 1. Okay. Let's see if it lines up now. There it is. Now, duplicates. We'll actually work on duplicates on another video. I'm gonna end this one right here. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.